Hello and welcome back, guys. This is my GBP AUD trade. You can see my MT5. Currently the trade is running and I have already booked some of the profits so that the trade can run risk free. Okay, so I'll share the trade details. Just one second. So it's the same strategy. I have shared two trades earlier, which was first was Euro CHF trade and another was gold trade, XA USD trade. Same strategy has been used. You can see on 5 minute time frame. Same on 5 minute time frame. You can see what happened. Market was going down. It was going down. Okay, this was the last low made by the market, and then suddenly it gave a chalk to the upside. Market structure shift happened. Okay, this at this point the market structure shift happened. So what did I do? I waited on the smaller time frame to see a market structure shift or some confirmation on the order block. So what was the original order block for me? Original order block was this whole candle. Okay, on original order block was this whole candle. You can see this was the original order block. Then I moved on 5 minutes time frame, because see, why was this order block taken? Because it has imbalance, it has liquidity upside, it has inducement, everything was there. Okay, and chalk has already happened, market structure shift has already happened. So that's why I went on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, on 5 minutes time frame, what happened? See, this order block was refined. This order block was refined to on 5 minutes time frame. This order flow, in whole order flow, you can see this candle has touched. See here, when you mark this order flow, you see that candle has already wicked. Okay, so that means this order flow is not valid now. So this candle was taken. Okay, this candle was taken. And then on 1 minute time frame, when I went on 1 minute time frame, I'll show you what happened on 1 minute time frame. Here is the order flow. Okay, on 1 minute time frame, you see this is the whole order flow on 1 minute time frame. This white candle, after that what kind white candle, this is the whole order flow. This only one black candle is the order flow. Okay, so I marked this candle. Okay, I marked this candle as my order block or order flow, whatever you can say, on 1 minute time frame. Once this was marked here, you can see I waited. First I took the entry. Okay, with 0.2 lots I took the entry. Okay, I took the entry. You can see on MT5 also the entry was taken exactly at this point. At this point below, you can see exact it was entry was taken. Okay, and then I was waiting for 5 minutes time frame for market structure shift. Market structure shift, I was waiting for that. Okay, so you can see the market was falling. This was a pullback. This was pullback. This was a pullback, and then this was falling. Okay, so once it was breaking to the upside, here it was a break. Here it was a break. Okay, so I was waiting. Okay, it would give something for entry, something to enter. Okay, but you can see the market directly went up. It did not came back to pullback. Why did not it came back to the pullback? You can see everything was weak. Everything was weak. You can see this week was then this week mitigated this week. So everything was weak. So that is why I was not able to get any kind of entry on the 5 minutes time frame. Else I would have waited for 5 minutes time frame for market structure shift or chalk, and then I would have enter. So currently you can see I booked something in between here. Yeah, in between here I booked something, and then currently the trade is running, and you can see it's coming down, and it has also went up. So now the trade is risk free. So always remember, if you're thinking to go with one lot, so you always go with two lots. Okay, by while managing your risk. Because once you book the profits, okay, once you what profit you should book, the stop loss amount profit you should always book, so that you can wait for your target to achieve. So what's my target? Simply you can see that on 1 hour time frame already it has achieved the target. Okay, on 1 hour time frame it has already achieved the target. But you can see I believe this has came from this order block of the 4 hour. Okay, of the 4 hour, this order block has been respected. For that reason I am waiting for either this MSS or either this. Okay, so I am not saying that I am waiting for 1 to 100 risk reward trade. No, it's not about that. I am waiting for the market structure. Now the current trade is risk free. Okay, my current trade is risk free, so that is why I am waiting. If you see, this has also happened on 4 hour. This small MSS has also happened. Okay, so now a small pullback is expected till this level or something, but then it may go up again. Or if the market is not interested to go up, then it may break to downside, and then we have to look for a order block above, either this order block, either this order block, right? So why I am able to wait? The only reason is because I have booked some profit. Okay, once I booked the profit, and at least the profit which was my stop loss, so that this trade goes to break even. Okay, so that is the whole point. You have to not you have to cut your losses, but try to get trade to the break even if it's going to the losses. Okay, so thank you guys. You can comment in the comment box whatever you have questions about. Okay, thank you, and please like the video and subscribe the channel.